Hello everyone. In this video, uh, we will learn the components or structure of a research paper. For beginners, if you want to know how to write a paper and what are the components or structure of a research paper. So today I will show you what are the components or the parts of a research paper. For example, this is a research. So first of all, uh, your research paper must have a title. And the second is the abstract. Abstract is the summary of the whole paper. For example, the title and the abstract, and uh, the title shows the main theme or objective or the aim of the paper. For example, the title of this paper is The Nexus Between Renewable Energy Consumption, Economic Growth, and Carbon Dioxide Emission, an investigation for environmental concerns, CARO. So this is the main title, comes from the main aim or objective from this study. The abstract, and the abstract in the beginning, you have to uh, write write the background of your research in 2 or 3 lines. And then after the background, you have to uh, write the objective of, or the purpose of your study. Here, for example, this study explored the nexus between renewable energy consumption, industrial structure, urbanization, economic growth, and carbon dioxide emission from 1995 to 2019 in European and Asian emerging economies. So here the purpose of your study and then the year, the data used and the sample countries, for example, European and Asian economies. Next, you have to use to write about the methods or the econometric models you have implied, and then you have to uh, present your result in short in 2 to 3 sentences. And at the last, you have to give the recommendation and then the keywords. But the first part of the paper when you want to begin is introduction. You have to give introduction about your study. And then the next step is literature review. For example, there are several factors used in this paper. So you can write the literature review in parts like this, or you can write the literature review together in several paragraphs. So in this paper, uh, the literature review is presented in different parts. For example, industrial structure and environmental degradation. So there are the past studies on these factors. So you can present uh, like this. The next part in the literature review is urbanization and environmental degradation. So you have to put the past studies on the similar topic. For example, urbanization and environmental degradation. You have to uh, put here like this. There are several parts in this literature review. The third part is methodology. Um, you can also present your methodology in different parts or in or together in different and several paragraphs. But in this paper, the methodology is presented in different parts. For example, the third is methodology, and, and then there is the model and variable specification is a part in the methodology, and there is a table which shows the variable and data sources. And the fourth part is the empirical results and discussion. So this is also presented in the subparts. The fourth part present the results and discussions. So you have to present your results and tables, analysis, and discussion about your results in this part. And the last part, uh, the fifth, which is the last part, you have to present your conclusion and policy implication, which can be directly derived from the results. And at the last, you have to put the references. So if you have any question about writing a research paper, you can ask me in the comments.